Today I want to share some of the best event planning books to get started if you're new in the industry. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Roll, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners to help them turn clicks into clients. That's right, I'm all about your digital marketing. So your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, everything that you need to get found online. So why am I talking today about books when I'm all about digital marketing? Well, here's the thing. I know that everyone learns differently. Some people are visual learners. Some people learn by they're more auditory, right? Whatever that is for you, I want to help you get there. So I want to share 5 books that I've read that I enjoy and that I think can help you if that's the route you'd like to go. So the first one is Event Planning and Management, and that one features your girl right here. Now, I might be a little biased when I'm introducing this book, but this is a textbook that is actually used in the UK at Leeds, right? And this is one that I've worked with the authors on, and I've helped them to actually make it a little bit more practical. So both the authors and their professors there are actually event planners, and this is really rare. It's rare sometimes when you find event planning or wedding planning textbooks that the actual authors are event planners and not just professors, but they are. So I actually worked with the authors on this one, and I contributed some of the practical stuff. So I did a lot of the resources and content that was in it that was linking out to things that you can actually use to implement and set up your business. So if you're looking for an event planning textbook that includes the practical as well as the theory, this is one that you should definitely check out. And the full title for you is Event Planning and Management, Principles, Planning, and Practice. Now, of course, let's move on to number 2. So the second book is How to Start Your Own Event Planning Business, called Startup, How to Start Your Own Event Planning Business, and it's by entrepreneur.com if you're familiar with our website. Now, of course, if you know entrepreneur.com, you know that their articles, they have a lot of them, but they're also very short and concise. So if you're looking for something quick, just to get some quick information that you can get started right away, this is a good book to do. If you're looking for a deep dive, something holding your hand and taking you step by step, this is not it, but it's still a good start. Now, of course, if you're looking for more of a deep dive, believe it or not, it's better to actually go through a program. So if you're more focused on design, find a design course. Preston Bailey, amazing. If you're looking for more of the business tips and hand holding, your girl's right here. I offer business coaching. Connect with me and let's find out how we can work together. So, but this is a really good book if you're new and you're starting and you really don't know where to go. It's a good place to start. And number 3 is for all you corporate people, because I couldn't leave you out. Of course not. Now, here's the thing. This is a book that I hold very dear to my heart because it's one that I've read over and over again. I was gifted about 3 different copies over different times. Holidays, birthdays. Everyone knew that I was a corporate event planner, and apparently this was the book to give me, but I really appreciate it because it's a really good one. So this book is by Judy Allen, and it's called Event Planning, the Ultimate Guide to Successful Meetings, and yada, yada, yada. The title is long, but I'm dropping it below this video for you. And this one is a really good book if you're in the corporate environment because it looks at meetings, conferences, it looks at all the different types of corporate events and the best way to actually plan them, get started, how to set things up. And it's not really about running the business so much as it is on the actual event implementation and planning part of it. So if that's what you're looking for, this is it. It's a really good book. As I said, I call it my Bible. When I was a corporate planner and I was new and I didn't know what the hell the difference between corporate planning and wedding planning was, yes, there was a time like that. This was actually the book that I read over and over again. So it's a good one. Number 4, because I'm hitting all the angles, it's all about special events. So this one is called Special Events, and it's by Joe Goldblatt. I hope I'm saying his name correctly. And this one takes you through all the special events. So if you're a special events planner, this is definitely a book to check out. It is really detailed. He writes well. I love it. Now, of course, there are some typos in there. I've seen them. But the information in there is actually really good. I think with every textbook or any type of book, sometimes when they get revised every year, there's some things that get missed. But it does get updated, which is good, which means the typos are getting fixed. but it's a really good book if you plan any type of parties, festivals, concerts, like those types of events. This is the book that you definitely want to check out. So go get it. And of course, I'm linking it. Now, book number 5. This one has nothing to do with event planning, but I'm including it because you need to know this. This one is by Michael Port and it's called Book Yourself Solid. Now, why I love it is because it's a really, really good sales book, and it really tells you how to sell yourself, how to clarify your message, how to tell clients what you do so that you can do what? Get booked solid. I'm including this in the list because if you're going to be downloading books on how to plan, where to plan, how to start a business, you also need to know what to do when those clients are rolling in. And this one's a great place to start. So if you really want to get the year off to a good start with some new books, that's the one to do it. If you just want to update your book list, it's still an amazing one. Review the list, see what you're missing, see what you need, and get on it. And of course, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get weekly business tip videos like this one to help grow your event planning business. Because